we set lines on a kayak. I forgot that for a second. Bank lines. And we were leaving, and we had a little surprise catfish on the line already, didn't we? And I'm gonna go kayak fishing for the first time, and we're gonna record. And we have a surprise visitor. So you'll see who it is there, and you'll see me kayak fishing maybe. I'll see you later. Bye! This is our special guest.
Yeah, make me go first, get all the
Hunch, Andy.
I'm trying.
There you go.
You're getting it.
It's still a little skittish for a second time being out on one.
You'll be all right.
Oh no, I'll be fine.
How's fishing on the... Huh?
It's the Three Stooges.
Hey.
Yeah.
Rude. So this is how fishing on a kayak is going for the first time for Colt.
Don't blame me for the second time, alright?
Could be worse.
Second time being on one. I think I'm decent.
Alright, there he goes. When we were here setting lines yesterday, found a fishing pole and I forgot to get it. So today I'm gonna try and remember to get it. It's a Zebco, I think. Can you see it? It is right. There's the reel. Up there's the rod. So let's go check our lines, I guess, and see how Colt's doing fishing in his kayak for the first time. How's it going, kiddo?
I haven't got a bite. I thought I had a bite earlier, but I don't know.
Alright.
This kayak is not made for kayak fishing, and this pole ain't made for kayak fishing. I mean, any pole can be made for kayak fishing, I guess.
It's a little foggy this morning, huh?
Yeah, I can barely see that mountain.
That mountain over there.
Yeah. It's not a big hill, it's a mountain. Mountain.
Nothing on that line? Nope. How many lines have we checked so far? 3 lines and nothing.
Who?
Oh. Sorry. 2 lines and nothing so far. Nothing on line number 3. Bait is still there. This will be line number 4. All right. Good job, Colt.
Held on. I actually held on.
That's a good one. All right, here is the next line, and I'm gonna check it. It don't look like there's anything on it though. Let's see. Nope, but the bait's gone. So, how did it feel pulling in your first fish on a bank line in a kayak?
Good.
Great?
And it was a few pounds too.
Yeah, it was a good one. Andy said on that bank line over there that something broke the line. All that was left was the sinker, I guess.
Fishing. Cast number, I think, 5.
Oh, yeah? Colt wants to show us what he is using to fish with today.
Sorry if I hit you.
It's okay. Here. Hang on.
So I am using this. I don't know what it's called. And well, probably 2-inch hook. Probably a size 2 hook. Probably a size 2 hook. I don't know. Close, probably.
Did you get that out of one of your lucky tackle boxes or mystery tackle boxes?
No, I don't think. No, I think Dad just got it.
Oh, okay.
And well, see you on the fish side.
So, did you guys get anything else?
Yeah, one so far.
Just one other one. So we have 2 total?
Yeah. I don't want these to go.
About how big was it?
About a pound.
About a pound. Alright. Now I gotta go over there and rescue Colt. He's got a line tangled up or something.
Okay, so you may not see anything when you look at me, but if you look at, wait, Jonah, can you show them? If you look at that, okay, let me zoom in.
Are your nasty toes in this? Keep your nasty toes out of the video.
I can't. If you look at that, my lure is tangled at the end of my kayak, and Jonah's unfixing it, fixing it. It is now fixed. So, I'll see you guys later.
With the fog and the dark, menacing forest, this sure would be a good time to tell a scary story. Too bad I can't think of any. We've checked all the lines. We only have 2 fish, and now we're headed back. And we're gonna load up and go home, I guess.
Not till another cat. And another, and
Mush.
Andy grabbed the fishing pole for me, so I guess. Oh, you're heavy.
I know.
I guess I could pull him in. What happened to your kayak, honey?
Steering broke.
Is it harder just to paddle?
Well, whenever you got 300 extra pounds of weight on there from the motor, yeah, it is.
He looks a little rough, don't he? You too look a little rough.
did he fall in?
No.
Okay. We could keep this.
Your dad said it looked like it was junk.
It does, but we could keep it anyway.
Well, we don't need to keep junk.
Well, you could probably get rid of the reel. The pole might still be something worth something.
Yeah. The pole looks fine, the reel looks like junk.
I ain't got enough money to buy this thing. This ain't picking up food.
Stop!
Good job, guys.
Hey guys, so this is the end of the video. We got 2 fish. Was mine the bigger one is a question. Was it? Mine was the biggest, yes! And I was kayak fishing. There's a surprise I haven't told anyone yet. Well, I told Jonah. And I'm gonna tell it to you. And they're gonna hear it. So, I had a fish and it was pulling my kayak a little. How does that surprise you, sir?
It don't.
How does that surprise you, sir?
I think you're full of it.
That's all I think.
But anyway, please stay wild and weird. Please like and subscribe and bye.